Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to find IP address of computer. So let's start. First of all, press key Windows R and type a command cmd, press enter. Then again type a command ipconfig, then press enter, and over here you can see IPv4 address 192.168.1.5. So this is IP address of your computer. There is also another way to check IP address of computer. First of all, go to settings, then go to network and internet, then check for the Wi-Fi option or Ethernet option. Then in my case, I'm clicking on the Wi-Fi. Once you click over here, you can see the hardware properties. Then click over here. Now over here you can see the options, or you can see the IPv4 address, that is 192.168.1.5. So in this way we can find IP address of computer. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.